We're now going to take a look at the Agility Web Explorer working with Synergy data, or Macola workflow data, as they call it with M10. So the idea here is that we have a different SQL database other than the Macola ERP. And as a salesperson, I really enjoy using this tool because it gives me a very clean interface, and I can quickly sort through all my deals, and I can pull back the one I want to follow up on and go one by one very quickly rather than searching and pulling up one at a time in Synergy. So let's see how this works. Come over here. I'm going to click on my icon. I have one icon that brings back my sales stuff. You can see here I can look at Aaron's deals. I can look at what's happened for the month in terms of booked information. I can look at my open opportunities. I'll just click Go. When I get back my results set, I'll go ahead and bring up, the whole lot of it. I'll just search for one deal, Acme Blasting, and I'll filter down to Acme Blasting. Once I have this deal on the screen, it gives me the basic information that I want. I haven't really quoted the deal yet. Its status is open. It's a Macola opportunity. I'm working with ECI on it. This is the person that I'm working with in the IT group, very well-defined person. And what are we looking at? We're looking at Agility Explorer in California. This is the company. If I click on the company, it'll bring back the company data. If I go back again, bring up Acme, I can bring up the deal. I'm looking at the deal here now. I want to update that they're going to look at PickPack. They're going to look at Data Masons with WiSys. They're doing POP. These are just the fields I keep track of. They are on Macola 10. That's 10.6. And I want to change the follow-up, the date that I think it'll close to be 07 next month. And they told me that the PO is coming soon. And I'll put a note in here, webinar follow-up. And just click Save. When I'm done, I click this X up here, and it takes me right back to where I was. You'll see here when I hit the refresh button, this date will change. So there's my current updated information. So this lets me sort, filter, and dig down through the deals that I have to make sure I'm on top of my game. So that is Agility Web Explorer with Synergy data.